Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change LinkedIn background. A LinkedIn background image says 1,000 words. As much as some spots out there would have you believe having a personalized LinkedIn profile will make you stand out more. Especially on a site as loaded with talent as LinkedIn, that's something you need. When a prospective employer visits your profile, the photos are there to greet them. Changing your LinkedIn background photo or cover image is the simplest way to express yourself to anyone visiting your profile. All social media platforms have their own dimensions, and there's something you need to pay attention to in order to have your image looking just right. For your personal LinkedIn background photo, you're going to want an image that's 1584 by 396 pixels. To change it, go to your LinkedIn homepage, then click Me on the top banner, and then go to View Profile. Click on the pencil icon under your cover image or tap on the camera icon. Then, click the same icon on the top of the banner. And now, select your image or tap Upload or tap Gallery from your Android. Then select the image you want. Hit Open, and you can adjust or crop. And if you're happy, click on Save. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.